Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. So today is Monday, September 28th. It is around 1 p.m. and I just thought I'd start the vlog here because this week is gonna be very fun. We have some fall activities planned, like making pumpkin bread, decorating my apartment for fall, and a bunch of other stuff, as well as studying. As you guys saw, I started the vlog this morning by showing you guys what I ate for breakfast. Marge just went to get my package that I'm getting in the mail. Very exciting because I'm getting a new tripod slash like selfie stick for my phone because this one is really old. So I just need to switch it up, and I thought it'd be easier for me because that one has a Bluetooth remote. So it's going to be easier for taking pictures as well as like starting my video clips. So yeah, I'll update you guys when she gets here. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this. It's like a brush cleaner, I should say. So you put your brush on it and the remote twists, you put it in underwater and it cleans and dries your brushes. So anyways, I was looking for a good idea the other day to put my lipsticks without breaking my back and every other member of my body. So anyways, I thought of this. So Marge is gonna show you how it works.
Here we have a lipstick.
Yes. So you take it the right size and you just put it on like so, and then you put it on the straight on Marge. So you don't have to break your back anymore. You can just...
Another one of Erica's inventions.
Here we have our cauliflower wings with our Rio consomme. It's 10:15 right now. I didn't get the chance to update you guys more today just because I've been busy with like homework and trying to figure everything out, just because my semester is pretty like, it's different, and we have all kinds of platforms we need to follow, and it kind of gets confusing after a while. So I've just been organizing my things and figuring out what's due this week for reading assignments and just like assignments in general. So that's what I've been doing. As you guys saw earlier, Marge and I did some cauliflower wings, and it was actually really delicious. Like, it tasted like a Chinese restaurant. So that's pretty much what I did today. Right now, I'm just going to do a reading that I have to do for tomorrow. And tomorrow I'll just answer the questions that are based on the reading. And then after, I need to get organized with my to-do lists and just get everything ready for this week so that I know what's due, what I have to do, if I have any meetings, all of that good stuff. So, this is my update for today, and I'll let you guys know what I'm up to tomorrow. And by the way, I'm just testing out the Milk Makeup Melatonin Lip Mask, and so far it smells divine. First of all, it smells like lavender oil. I like that smell, and I really like the texture so far. So we'll see. I'll give you guys my review like tomorrow to see how my lips are feeling. Today is Tuesday, September 29th. It is around 12:30 p.m. and I haven't done much this morning. That's why I didn't really vlog much. I used my new method to put on my lipstick. I'm absolutely obsessed. Now I know I'm going to be wearing a liquid lipstick every single day. And I'm leaning towards fall colors like these for now because obviously it's fall time and it's my favorite time of year. So right now I'm wearing the Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Manhattan, if you guys were wondering. It's like a nice, like not very berry tone, but it's more of like a purple, which at first I wasn't really like comfortable with because I don't usually wear purples, but I mean, I'm kind of digging it right now. Anyways, it's going to be a very busy day today, so I'm gonna get started on my things. It is around 7:30 p.m. Oh my gosh, wow, don't mind my lipstick. I ate and it's all over the place. But I just wanted to update you guys. It was a very productive day and I'm still being productive, so I still need to record a question for an assignment that I have due, as well as write a couple of emails, start editing this vlog before it gets too long. It's currently 10:30 p.m. and I just finished everything I had to do. The only thing I didn't do is edit this video. I'm gonna see how much time I have left to edit because I need to get up at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, so I don't want to go to bed too late. I sent all of my emails. I did my assignment. I'm just going to edit and submit it. I know I'm not too talkative in this vlog, but I thought I'd try something new and do like some montage kind of clips instead of me talking all the time. As you guys can see, I'm still wearing my Milk Makeup lip mask tonight. This morning I woke up and my lips were really soft. So I'm going to give it another go, and so far I really like it. I like the smell of it, and the smell doesn't linger for long. So I mean, if you don't like a lip balm that has like a smell the whole time or a taste, the other day actually I tried the Rare Beauty lip balm, and that one leaves an awful taste in your mouth. Like, I really thought I was gonna like it, but I can't stand the taste. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Probably give it to a friend or something like that. And yeah, I did my skincare. That's why my face is a bit glowy. I've been using the e.l.f. Soothing, I think, or Calming Essential Oil Face Mist, and I really like it. Also, I used the Arbonne Overnight Face Jelly. I bought it a couple of months ago, like maybe 5 to 6 months ago, and I really like it. Good skincare, and like my skin is almost all clear, so I like this kind of routine that I did for myself. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling now and get to editing this vlog. Hey guys, today is October 1st. It is around 1:30 p.m. By the way, happy October, guys. It's like one of my favorite months of the year, except for my birthday month, of course, a Leo like me. And yeah, so I'm very excited for the fall time. I mean, for me, officially, the fall started on September 1st, but October just makes it feel like it's fall-er, if you know what I mean. As you guys saw earlier, I started decorating my apartment for fall. So I've added these little pumpkins that I got at the orchard. And they're so cute, so I added them on the side of my window so I can see them all the time. And yeah, I didn't vlog yesterday just because, to be honest, I wasn't really in the mood and I wasn't doing anything special. I'm currently waiting for my caregiver. She is actually doing a Starbucks run for me. So thank you so much, Nadia. I saw this drink on TikTok. It's like an iced chai tea latte with pumpkin cream foam or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna try it out and I'll let you guys know how I like it. Hey guys, so today is Friday, October 2nd. It is around 7 p.m. So I'm in my chair right now because I'm going to Guy's house for the weekend. Well, technically just for today and tomorrow. And then on Sunday I'll come back home, do my groceries and all that. So I just wanted to update you guys since I didn't do it today. I wasn't doing much. I had my class this morning and I ate, and other than that, did homework. That's it. Hey guys, so today is Sunday, October 4th. It is around 12:30 p.m. and I'm just getting like ready for the day, getting washed and all that, and I have my groceries coming, so I'll show you guys what I got later. It's currently 10 p.m. I think I'm going to close off the vlog here because it's Sunday and I'm starting a new week. I'm not sure if I'm going to be vlogging. I didn't get the chance to do the pumpkin bread this week, but I will try to do it in another vlog soon since it's still fall. And yeah, so my next vlog I think is gonna be in Chiac because you guys seem to like that, so I like filming it personally. Yeah, I feel more comfortable. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!